Hello, Indanki. You alright? Rich English, your English teacher, non-native English teacher, and I've been a little bit sick recently. I've been under the weather, okay? So that's why, I'm sniffing a bit. But it don't matter, because I promise you a video. Here's the video. It's going to be about pronunciation. It's going to be about pronunciation and how sometimes I hear non-native speakers pronouncing words, sorry, but I have to say it awfully. And it just, let's just correct it, if it's not a problem for you, of course, yeah? So the first one, now we're gonna focus on the WR letter combination in words like write, or rap, or wreck, or wrestle, and things like this, okay? I've heard a lot of non-native people pronouncing it like right, wrong, or wriggle, or wreck, or wrist, and things like this, pronouncing the W sound, which is actually as a silent letter. So it shouldn't be pronounced according to the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, and it's not a British kind of beer, IPA. It's not Indian Pale Ale, but International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA. According to the IPA, these words should be pronounced without the W sound. Only the R sound should be pronounced. Words like wrinkle, not wrinkle. Right, not like write. Never, it has never been right. It's always been right, or right, or wreak havoc, not like wreak havoc. No, never, please, don't do it. Wreak havoc. Shout out to Martiv, first of all. So wreak havoc, wretched, wriggle, wreckage, right, wrong, wrath, rap, wreck, wrestle, wriggle, without the W sound. Wrinkle, wrist, right, reek, wretched, wriggle, wreckage, right, wrong, wrath, rap, wreck, wrestle. Silent letters